In this video, I want to show you how to get discounts for IKEA. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, on my device, I'm going to open up any web browser and head on over to Google. And now inside the Google search bar, I'm going to type in discount codes for IKEA. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit enter. And now on the Google search results, you can see there's a few third-party sites offering coupon or discount codes. So you got Coupon Follow, which is a great site, Retail Me Not, Coupon Nation, We Thrift It. So you got all the big players here that offer discount codes. And now the one I'm going to use for this demonstration is Coupon Follow. So any one of these sites will work, by the way. So as you can see, I'm in Coupon Follow. If I scroll down, you can see all the different discount codes you can use. Save 25% off, 10% off, 5% off, etc. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use, you can even see here under this first discount, someone just saved £5 off their order 1 hour ago. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use IKEA promo code 10% off. So now what I want to do is copy this code and now paste this code at the checkout section of IKEA to get 10% off first furniture purchases. And if you go back to these sites here, they do change daily or weekly, these different discount codes. So yeah, so come back every now and then to get different codes.